how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Arlo from a Good Dinosaur. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. Let's get started, okay? So Arlo is a great character. Arlo is I think he's a Brachiosaurus? I forgot what he was. Can somebody tell me what he was? I forgot what he was, but he is a sauropod for sure. So I'm going to curve right here at the top of his mouth. Got a long mouth, a little bit of a long mouth here. I'm going to pull up for the top of his head and pull down. Gonna go right here for one eye, for the other eye, circle inside those eyes right there, and I'm gonna throw a highlight, and the highlight has to be in the same part of the eye, left. Like I'm gonna pick the top left. And I'm going to draw a dot right there for the pupil. Gonna pull right in, give him a little smile, line back. If you ever saw, I think it's a Pixar movie, right? Pixar movie. Sorry, I'm coming in so unprepared. I actually really like this movie a lot because I'm a big dinosaur fan, but I forgot what exactly was it. He might be a brontosaurus. Curve down. Somebody tell me in the comments. Is Arlo? What is Arlo? Curve down here. He's got a long neck. I'm gonna go over here, form a bump for his body. Right. He is like I said, a sauropod. Right. It's a type of dinosaur. I just don't remember the exact type of sauropod that he was. Draw a dot right here for the whole for the nose. Let's go right here. So you got this bump so far, right? Let's go over here for his legs. Pull out for one leg. It's a very goofy style. Curve for that knee. Down over here for the bottom portion of that leg, and then the bottom of the foot. And go over here, curve up. Continue here. Line down, curve for that knee, and down here. Gonna continue with a swoop right here, the curve underneath. Down, down over here. All right, you have the black, so you have 3 legs so far. You can actually add in that rear leg over there. It's more or less going to be a shadow. We can kind of fill it in as a shadow, to be honest. By the way, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Disney characters or Pixar characters or Sonic or dinosaurs, hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting every day, okay? Every day is a different tutorial. Pulling up over here for the tail. And I'm gonna curl over here, continue to pull back. The important thing is the rhythm line right there, that this looks like it's a connected line. So just kind of remember that. That's very, very important, because if it doesn't look connected, it's gonna look disjointed and weird, and it's gonna be like, what? It's the viewer's gonna be like, what's going on? And then finally, I'm going to draw a little bit of a thicker line just around the outside right here of the character. I know the character was CG, but you know, we're doing a drawing here, obviously. And I want to give it a slightly thicker line. Like so, down over here. Over here. Don't forget his nails. He does have these nails right here, so you can draw these little hump shapes right here for the nails and the toes. Right here. And continue to kind of, again, thicken out the outer line. Be careful, by the way, when using these markers. They do smell really like bad, and if you inhale them, it's not good for your health. So just be super aware of that. Alrighty. And that's it. That's Arlo from the Good Dinosaur. But let me know what kind of dinosaur it was, because I totally forgot. I know I can Google it, but I'm not going to Google it because I got you guys. Draw a line over here, the other end, for the far nasal, the nasal part. And there's stuff you can add to him, by the way. If you want, I mean, he doesn't always have this, but you can actually draw like smaller teeth kind of coming down from the top, like round teeth. But he's a really beautiful little character, and I really like that movie, The Good Dinosaur, obviously, because I'm a huge dinosaur fan. But that's pretty much the end of it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. What I want you to do is, if you have issues with drawing anything, like you're not really sure what to draw, or I'm saying you're not sure how to draw and you don't really know how to progress, like you want to draw everything, for example. If you want to draw people, you want to do dinosaurs, you want to draw everything, and let's just say you have a shaky hand and you're not really sure what to do about it, okay? If you're frustrated, don't worry about it. Go to sketchingeasy.com, sketchingeasy.com, one word, sketchingeasy.com. Go click on the dragon, and when you click on the dragon, you're gonna get an intro lesson on how to steady your hand, you know, how to manipulate stuff. So basically, when you're drawing something, you're doing two things. Number one, there's the knowledge part of it, right? Like the anatomy, kind of structure, how you do stuff. And then there's also the hand control, like what can my hand physically move, right? Because when you write, you're kind of doing this, right? You're kind of doing this, but when you're drawing, you're pulling your kind of elbow into it, sometimes your shoulder, right? A little bit of everything, right? It's different. It's a different range of motion, and some people have a really hard time with that. That's what that goes over. It goes over the technical parts. And if you do the stuff on that, the exercises that I give you on that lesson, you're gonna get over shaky hands like in a couple weeks. Easy, really easy. And it's a very simple thing, and no one teaches it. That's why, like I said, if you want to draw anything, go to sketchingeasy.com and click that dragon. And there's no sign up, nothing. It's just a bunch of YouTube videos that are unlisted, and you can see them right there. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very soon. Don't forget to hit that like if you found any kind of value from this video, and I'll see you next time, okay? Maybe even later today.